What's up, guys? This is Tatum with Thick Boy Performance, making this video for uh, people that are just now getting the HP tuner to either start getting remote tuned or even tune themselves. This isn't really much about tuning, it's more of reading the file, you know, uh, loading the file or new file to your car. A couple little tips, tricks just to get you going real quick. So we're going to start off. Obviously, you got to download VCM Editor. Uh, get the device. You go to your vehicle, plug the device into the OBD2 sensor, open up this app. It's going to look like this. And click this little button right here. This is to read the vehicle. You press read. It's going to start loading. This process could take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. I've had one take 15 minutes. It really just depends on the car, how long it takes to read. I don't know. Every car is different. Um, as soon as it's done, you'll know. It'll tell you, like, it'll open up your file, say save file as, and you'll save the file. What I would suggest is naming it, your year, make, and model. I would suggest, 2018 Dodge Challenger. Now, if it's the fully stock file, put stock file. If you've had it tuned before and you're retuning it again, I would put 2018 Dodge Challenger modified, and then, like, say you had long tube headers, I would put like LT on it or something. That way you know when you go back to that file or you ever have to send it to another tuner or anything. That way everyone understands why it's not, an actual stock file. Once you get that done, you'll save it. Um, Obviously, send it off to your tuner if you're getting remote tuned. But make sure you keep that file in case you ever need it. If in case something happens with your PCM, you're gonna need that file to get a new one. For not all cases, but some cases, there's ways to unbrick it. People that unbrick it, companies and stuff, but they need that stock file or something of the nature to, you know, put it back in and get it going again. So you definitely want to keep that. And most tuners, if at all possible, would suggest the stock tune instead of modifying somebody else's tune. But some people, like myself, have quite a few stock file tunes laying around that we can't come up with our or make our own stock file for you if we need to. Um, but again, try to keep it if at all possible. If you press cancel or something, that's okay. Just read the vehicle again, because once you put on that first tune from your tuner, you didn't save that stock file. That stock file is gone. So try to pay attention to what you're doing and everything like that. Um, so say got the stock file saved, sent it to your tuner just sent you revision one. So again, hook up to the car, put the HP tuner in the car, pick it up to your laptop, open this bad boy back up. Say you got it saved. We'll open up this Hellcat 300S. This will look like when it's open. It'll tell you the file name right up here. That way you always check it, make sure you're on the right one. Because even if you fully cancel out of this HPTuners app, press this button, cancel it out completely, it will open up to your old file, your file that you were just on before you canceled. Um, there's a way to turn it off. I don't personally know where that's at. Um, I don't mind it opening up my last file, but I would just pay attention to that. So say you're ready to write, you'll press this button right here. As you can see, this one has the red arrow instead of green. So now you got this right here. It's just telling you about the licenses and stuff. Press show license options. Now your interface should be plugged into your car, plugged into your laptop. It's going to tell you how many credits the car is requesting or the device is requesting for the car. You'll need to purchase credits, so you can press this button here, or you can just go to HPTuners website, log in, buy the credits, and then once you buy them, you say you get the receipt through the email or whatever. It takes like, I don't know, 30 seconds, something like that. Cancel out of this. Make sure your device is still hooked up to, your laptop. Make sure you're still hooked up to the Wi-Fi. Press help, resync interface. This bar right here will start loading green, and then it will say, your interface is connected or updated or resynced or something along those lines. Cancel out of that. Go back here. Show license options again. This box will drop down more. It will tell you, hey, you bought 2 credits. This file wants 2 credits. Would you like to apply them? You'll press yes. It'll then ask you like 1 or 2 more times. Are you sure? You cannot, undo this, whatever. Say yes. Then this box will change. I can't go any further because I'm not writing to a car. It'll be 2 boxes, one here, one here. The ECU here, TCM here. In each box, there's a drop-down box. One's going to say, if you click on it, it will say write entire or do not write at all. That way you can only write the engine, or you can only write the TCM if it's not, if it's an engine-only tune or it's a transmission-only tune, something of that nature. So then click it, it'll start writing. If you are on the what's going on here? If you're on the VCM editor beta, you will need Wi-Fi for both engine and transmission to write to the vehicle. If you're on the trying to think of the word, the original app, like the one I'm on, I believe, you do not need internet for the engine. You only need it for transmission. So try to keep that in mind if you're at say a racetrack, or you're out on a trip and you're logging a little bit and everything, or even if you're say going to Walmart, logging that for one tune, changing tunes at Walmart and logging back. You're gonna need the phone hotspot or something of the nature. So just try to keep that in mind, but it will tell you if it can't do it because there's no internet or something of the sorts. It'll let you know. But I think that's about it for this one, for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and go get started on video 2. Thank you guys for tuning in, and hopefully everything made sense and helps you out. Thank you guys.